Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin pumped to 108,000, then rugged everyone, dropped to 105 and pulled back quite strongly. My trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uni were pumping just before that drop. Now we'll jump into them as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, do technical analysis. My trades from earlier this morning were close to activating. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and don't forget, follow me on X because I always post competitions and cool stuff on X. Right now, my account 1119. This week from 1199 to 1227 back to 19, so a little bit down this week. This month up from 785. Last 3 months from 648. The last half a year from 513. We're going into Bitcoin futures right now. You can see where I opened my trade a few days ago, still up in profits a lot, around 12,900. Funding fee is still only plus 0.01. My Ethereum trade was also pumping just before the Bitcoin drop, and this Bitcoin trade was massive in the profits, around 20K, but now pull back, still 13K from less than 2 days ago when I opened my trade. Uniswap is down 9K, Ethereum 2,171, but still I'm in my trades right now. My account 1190, so taking a little bit of a drop, but I have been spending from this account as I've been traveling. Traveling. Tesla is up 1.89%, which is beautiful, up around 200% since we were buying it, 240% if you followed my videos. Let's go into Bitcoin on the daily. You can see earlier in the video I made the weekly one. If you can go check that out, the video earlier this morning. On the daily, we're pulling back. I'm going to do 4 hourly trades up here, but it hit a new all-time high. You can see just about 2 hours ago, we hit 108,000, new all-time high for Bitcoin, 108,421. Then it dropped down all the way to 105. Look how close it was from activating my trade from earlier this morning, but it did miss out. I would still keep that same trade, to be honest, because you need to buy it when you make money when you buy it, not when you sell it. So, but look at this volume spike. So someone sold. Actually, we could check it out on Bitcoin Tether on the 1 minute. So this is what caused the drop from 108. It was actually a lot of sells. It wasn't just one person actually, which is interesting. But in the last, in that last 1 hour on that drop, there was around, how many Bitcoin was sold? On Binance, there was 4,100 Bitcoin sold in that 1 hour candle, which is quite a lot of selling pressure actually. It did it on the open of the ETF, which is quite interesting. So I'd take that same one, 105,462, stop loss 105,187, take profit 110, risk reward 14 times, risking 321 to make 4,600. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum, same, 3949, and a lot of people requesting H-bar. Ethereum came close, activated the trade from earlier this morning on Ethereum. It's now active, this morning's trade, opened at 3950, stop loss is 3873, and take profit is 7,300, risk reward is 43 times. So this trade on Ethereum is active. On the 4 hourly, it still does look like this inverse head and shoulders is in play. Inverse head and shoulders is still in play on Ethereum. Let's go into Tesla. Tesla 1.84% on Tesla up. Tesla also opened in pre-market and then dropped a little bit. It went to a high of 483, which is amazing. If you followed my buys back when we bought Tesla, we are now up from when I bought it and posted online about 240%. The target of my Tesla buy is still $600 based off this symmetrical triangle. So it is coming close to that target back when we were buying at 141, which is amazing. Now so far up 241%, which is beautiful. Let's go into the 4 hourly. It's just climbing every day on Tesla, which is amazing. People ask me to do H-bar. I don't know this cryptocurrency, but it was requested recently, so I'm going to check it out. H-bar. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. Just people ask me to do this technicals. H-bar spot. I go into the weekly. This is how you would analyze. It's past its all-time high, which it was in 2022. The all-time high was 34 cents. 2 weeks ago, we went to 40 cents. So new all-time high for H bar, 39 cents. Volume a little bit declining the last week. It does look like a bullish pennant though. To be honest, that's a bullish pennant. So if we measure it out, bullish pennant on H bar, but I would be a little bit concerned because the volume is dropping. However, it is a bullish pennant and it's from the pole to the, usually bullish pennants are the pole. So that would be the distance of H bar. So target would be around 52 cents. However, the big support is, after such a big move up, I would try to get it on a strong support, which is 23 cents. So if you are going to get H bar, the best point would be to try and open along on 23 cents. But I don't know about this project, so you have to do your own due diligence. Let's jump into the Telegram right now. There's 932 of you online. James just woke up, and I say James being full-time Cupid. There's a funny post on X if you want to follow it. You can make, I'm giving people prizes. Check it out on X. Market cap Bitcoin dominance, so it's showing Bitcoin dominance trying to drop off, which would be very good for altcoins. People discussing, there's 896 of you online. Any major questions? Low liquidity, by the way, there's even low liquidity at 105 and 102, so most of the liquidity is at 102. So if they want to collect the liquidity, actually they would have to drop down there to liquidate everyone, so very possible. There's also a lot of liquidity at 108, so people shorted before that drop. But I wouldn't be, I never short Bitcoin in a bull market. Let's see if there's any requests on X. On YouTube. 87,400. James Best, thank you very much. God loves him because James Guru chose him. Where is the logic? Goodness, where is the top? That it was funny. Why God loves him is because he kept winning prizes when I randomly chose it in the last video. I'd like to see Bitcoin go to 300K by the end of year 2024, but I know how the 4-year cycle works. According to the 4-year cycles, the target of Bitcoin, according to the 4-year cycle, the target of Bitcoin is around 269K, October 2025. If you followed the previous video where I measured it all out, maybe I'll do it in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and join me on X as well. I give out a lot of prizes on X. You can see here there's a competition. Just woke up to see James being full-time Cupid. You can join me on X and check it out. 95,600 followers. Try to get me to 100K followers, guys. It would be amazing. And I would love your support on this. I'm giving $200 prizes. I gave one this morning, and I'm going to give another one away to $200. If you can help me get this YouTube Polish channel back in Polish language, which would be amazing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm still in all my longs, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uniswap. The trades are still active right now. They are still active, but they have pulled back since that recent drop on Bitcoin. So be cautious. I've got my stop losses. I've got my trades. I will add more liquidity, to be honest, to the Uniswap, Ethereum, Bitcoin trade also, if it pulls back, because I do think we're still in a bull market. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.